My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Volkswagen Transporter Camper. This vehicle has done just over 43,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see the kitchen, which is complete with a fridge, oven, sink and cooker. This camper is 5 belts, 4 berth. So as we'll see from the pictures, this transforms into a double bed. As we go into the front, we can get a good view of the pop top. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. As we move over to the touchscreen, we can get quick access to Apple CarPlay, voice control and Bluetooth. If we put it into reverse, we can see that it also comes with parking aid. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.